Okay, go ahead.
Here we are in downtown San Jose for the 4th of July, getting ready to celebrate. What do you want to say?
We made.
See, I thought that was a movie star.
And could you please tell us your name again, live on TV here?
Humphrey Bogart.
And
obviously I must be Mrs. Bogart.
Okay, let me call you Ms. Paul Lauren.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Over here.
Happy 4th of July.
Come on, you guys.
Yeah.
Speak. Over there. You're there. Come on. There you are.
Mr. Roberto and Miss Leslie and Catalina.
Hello. Happy 4th of July. And we are having a good time. It's too bad you weren't here, but we hope you have a very blessed and happy 4th. Arrivederci.